Hello, you welcome back to Christopher Explains. You're right in time to feed your curiosity. Let's go. So, the use of SD cards is predominantly associated with Android phones. Formerly, both flagship and mid-range phones had dedicated slots for these tiny chips, which enabled users to expand the storage capacity of their phones. Apparently, the use of SD cards has become obsolete in recent flagship phones like Samsung Galaxy S21, Oneplus 9 Pro, and several others. This is due to the good amount of storage most of these flagship phones possess. For example, the typical storage of flagship phones these days ranges from 256 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, and that's pretty enough for most people. However, most mid-range Android phones still use SD card slots, as the average storage capacity of such phones is 64 gigabytes. So, if you still use an SD card to expand your phone storage, consider doing this. Only use the SD card as the primary storage for applications on the phone, and rather keep your files in the internal memory. You may ask why. So, the lifespan or durability of SD cards usually cannot stand the test of time. SD cards are liable to corrupt or stop working at any point in time. So, regarding the unpredictability of their lifespan, it's imperative to only use SD cards to store applications. With that, you wouldn't be left wanting or in a dire state if it stops working out of the blue. You can always download those apps from the Play Store, but that's not the case with your files. Keeping your files in the native storage of your phone would last a lifetime. Trust me, I was left blindsided when my SD card got corrupted. Unfortunately for me, I had stored all my files on it. I was in real trouble. But luckily, I was able to retrieve all my files after endlessly manipulating it for hours. And guess what? The SD card never returned to normal. It's never worked afterwards.
One eternity later.
I learned my lesson, and I hope that will guide you as well. Also, to avoid SD cards altogether, simply get a phone with a good amount of storage to save yourself from any hassle. So, that's it for today. I hope I was able to feed your curiosity and you've also learned something new. Be sure to give this video a like and share with your friends, share with your loved ones, and most importantly, subscribe and turn on the bell icon to feed your curiosity each and every weekend. So, thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye.